Ladies and gentlemen, Gujarat's growth story is written through strong partnerships between governance and enterprise. Foremost, I invite Mr. Parakram Singh Ji Jadeja, Chairman and Managing Director, Jyoti CNC Automation, an eminent industrialist from Rajkot, to share his perspective. Welcome, sir.
Honorable Prime Minister, Government of India, Sri Narendra Bhai Modi, Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Sri Bhupendra Bhai Patel, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Sri Harsh Bhai Sanghvi, Honorable Ministers, Global Delegates, Industry Leaders, Ladies and Gentlemen, Namaste. Honorable Prime Minister, Sir, Vibrant Gujarat is a manifestation of your extraordinary vision to make Gujarat India's a growth engine. Today is a very special moment for me. I was born and brought up in Rajkot in the land of Saurashtra. Standing here today, the first Vibrant Gujarat Regional Conference in Rajkot, I feel a deep sense of pride and responsibility here. This event is not just for the conference. This event is a clear signal that the vision of Viksit Bharat at 2047 is now reaching regions, district, and local industrial ecosystems. I sincerely thank the Honorable Prime Minister and the Government of Gujarat for bringing this national vision to the regional level and giving a regional like a Saurashtra and Kutch direct role in India's long-term growth journey. For all of us present are here, this moment calls of ownership, commitment, and responsibility. At Jyoti CNC, our mission is very simple and very clear, propelling technology and prospering life. For us, technology is a means, but prosperity must reach people, society, and the nation. This is why manufacturing for us is not just a business. Manufacturing is our responsibility to build the future of India. The machine tool industry is a mother of industry of all manufacturing. In simple words, wherever there is a shape in the life, there is a CNC machine behind it. From toothbrush and daily use item to a simple words, whenever is a shape in life, where is a CNC machine behind it. From the toothbrush and daily use items to automobile, mobile phones, aircraft, whatever the things are required, the CNC machines are behind that. There is always CNC machines are behind that, metal cuttings are behind that. Today, the entire world is living in a VUCA world. Volatility, uncertainty, complexity, agility. But India has shown a different path. The leadership and action of our Honorable Prime Minister have redefined the VUCA as the vision, understanding, clarity, and agility. That is why even in today's turbulent global environment, India stands solid and stable. India will lead in manufacturing, and to do that, two things are not negotiable. The first is R&D, because leadership comes from innovation, not imitation. And second is a skill, because machines can be bought, but skills cannot. Vision must be backed by the commitment. Over the next 5 years, Jyoti CNC will invest more than 10,000 crores in manufacturing and R&D and skills. Not for the scale alone, but to strengthen the India's manufacturing ecosystem. Our focus is simple: to build a capability, to create opportunity, and contribute a meaningful in the national long-term strength. In this journey, Saurashtra and Kutch together can aspire contribute to close to $1 trillion, a link with the $30 trillion of India's economy over there. This is not a prediction. This is not a slogan. This is a shared responsibility. The fact of the vibrant Gujarat is being held in the Rajkot makes a starting point of this journey. I would like to reaffirm that Jyoti CNC is fully equipped and fully committed to supported to vision Atmanirbhar Bharat and Viksit Bharat at 2047 by supplying precision CNC machine to Indian aerospace and defense industry, by delivering the high-speed CNC machine to electronic manufacturing systems, and by developing advanced machine for a semiconductor manufacturing ecosystem. I sincerely thank the Honorable Prime Minister, the Government of Gujarat, and all stakeholders to their leadership and supports. The journey towards the Viksit Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharat is not the responsibility to government alone. It is a shared responsibility of industry, institution and society. ચાલો આપણે સૌ સાથે મળીને ક્ષમતા ઊભી કરીએ, તકો સર્જીએ અને આગેવાની લઈએ. જય હિન્દ, જય ભારત, જય જય ગરવી ગુજરાત. થેન્ક યુ.
Thank you, Mr. Parakram Singh Jadeja.
Today, India does not merely aspire to grow, it aspires to lead, to set standards, and to shape the future of the world. Gujarat exemplifies what integrated development truly means. And India today stands as one of the world's most attractive destinations for investment and manufacturing. For Adani Group, Gujarat is not just a state of investment, it is our foundation. The Adani Group commits to invest 1.5 lakh crores over the next 5 years in the region of Kutch. Gujarat will remain a cornerstone of this national transformation. The Adani Group remains deeply committed to being a trusted partner in building a strong, self-reliant and globally respected India. Thank you. Jai Hind.
After 20 years of vibrant Gujarat in Gandhinagar, it's a privilege to participate in the first regional Vibrant Gujarat Summit in this historic city of Rajkot. This summit will be a true force multiplier for the manifold development of Saurashtra. I salute Rajkot, truly a Raja, a king among cities of Gujarat. Dear friends, for Reliance, Gujarat is far more than a location. Gujarat is our body, heart and soul. We are a Gujarati company. Today, I stand before you with 5 firm commitments. First, investment at unprecedented scale. Reliance is already Gujarat's largest investor. In the last 5 years, we have invested over 3.5 lakh crores. Today, I am pleased to announce that we will double this to 7 lakh crores over the next 5 years. Jamnagar, once the largest hydrocarbon energy exporter, will, in the coming years, become India's largest exporter of green energy and material from Gujarat, making Gujarat India's artificial intelligence pioneer. Development of Gujarat is our sankalp. Big in vision, bold in execution, rooted in Gujarat and dedicated to the service of Bharat Mata.
2 दशकों में वाइब्रेंट गुजरात की ये यात्रा एक ग्लोबल बेंचमार्क बन गई है, लेकिन आज ये समिट इन्वेस्टमेंट से भी आगे बढ़कर ग्लोबल ग्रोथ, इंटरनेशनल कोऑपरेशन और पार्टनरशिप का एक मजबूत प्लेटफॉर्म बन गई है। वाइब्रेंट गुजरात की रीजनल समिट गुजरात की इन्हीं रीजनल संभावनाओं पर फोकस करते हुए आगे बढ़ रही है। भारत पर दुनिया का ये भरोसा इसलिए है क्योंकि ग्रेट ग्लोबल अनसर्टेनिटी के बीच भारत में हम एक अभूतपूर्व सर्टेनिटी का दौर देख रहे हैं और वाइब्रेंट गुजरात रीजनल समिट भी आप सभी इन्वेस्टर्स को यही संदेश दे रही है। सौराष्ट्र कच्छ में निवेश का यही समय है, सही समय है। सौराष्ट्र कच्छ के लोगों ने अपने परिश्रम से अपना भाग्य बदल दिया है। साथियों, आज सौराष्ट्र और कच्छ सिर्फ अवसरों का ही क्षेत्र नहीं है, बल्कि एक क्षेत्र भारत की ग्रोथ का एंकर रीजन बन चुका है। હું જોઈ શકું છું કે એક સમય એવો આવશે કે મોરબી, જામનગર અને રાજકોટ આ ત્રિકોણ મિની જાપાન બનશે। भारत की रिफॉर्म जर्नी इंस्टीट्यूशनल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की दिशा में बढ़ चुकी है।